I try to complete this task about once a week. It's really important to me that all of our guys have fresh vacuums, that when they go into customers' homes, they have a vacuum that works, they can keep a super clean project, because man, these things get dusty. Would really appreciate you guys liking this video, subscribing to me, and watching more content. I'm just a single guy trying to build and grow a business, and this is my struggle to success and the real world storyline of it. If you would have watched Musk or Bezos or any of these other guys when they were coming up and they were nothing, this is kind of my story. My vision is to be extremely successful later in life, but this is my journey there. Follow along.